Let's learn 3 effective ways of improving listening power. The first one is, go to your YouTube channel and search speeches. You will find a number of videos with subtitle. Just play and listen to English. Try to watch at least 5 videos every day. This will help you to improve your listening power. The second one is, go to Play Store and search podcast. You will find this app. Just download it. After opening, you will see a lot of episodes. Just download and play. Remember that you have to listen to and keep following the subtitle given. This is really useful application for IELTS candidates. The final step is,
try to listen to audio scripts given in Cambridge books. This method is really convenient to improve listening power. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is useful, share among your friends.